Today I'm going to be testing out the NailmaticLab DIY nail polish kit. It's a kit with everything you need to create your own nail polish. The kit comes with 5 pigments for mixing, 2 whites, a red, a blue, and a yellow. And we also get 5 pre-filled transparent mixing bases. So we're going to use these little pipettes to drop pigment into these and shake it up to create a whole new custom color. I love nail polish. I've always wanted to create my own shades, so I'm really excited to test this out. This is the mixing chart that comes with the kit, and it basically tells you what combinations create what color. So step 1 is to pick a color and look at the recipe to make that color. Since periwinkle is one of my favorite colors, I think I want to start off with some kind of periwinkle, blurply, lavendery color. Those are several colors, but you know what I'm saying. So I think the first color I'm going to try to mix up is this one right here, L340. So I have my transparent base, and now I'm gonna do my 8 drops of blue. I think I did that right. I'm gonna mix this up and just see how it looks, and I'll adjust accordingly. But it is similar to the color that I wanted. I just wanna lighten it up some more. So I basically just added another full pipette of white. It's definitely a little hard to get all of the pigment to mix together evenly. I'm obviously a person and not a machine, so me shaking my arm back and forth isn't gonna give me the best possible result, but I think it's working well enough. I think we finally got the perfect periwinkle color. The kit also comes with these little tags so you can actually name your custom nail polish shade. I think because this color reminds me so much of the Share Bear in Care Bears, I'm gonna name it Share Bear. That's cute. So aside from the blue purples, my other favorite color to wear on my nails is actually green. I've been looking for a more vibrant, punchy green color, like super green. So for this one, I think I'm gonna borrow the recipe for L343. It's like kind of the green tone that I want. I'm just gonna make it darker. For this recipe, you need 4 pipettes of white, 1 pipette of yellow, and 12 drops of blue. I think it's turning out a little bit too blue, so I'm gonna add a bit more yellow to see if that helps. So I kept adding yellow to make it more green looking, and it definitely worked, but I don't think it's as neon-y, bright green as I wanted it to be. It's definitely more on the pastel side. I added too much white, but I do like this color. It's kind of like a creamy Shrek skin shade. Maybe that's what I'll call it, but I do like this green, so I'm gonna keep it. Or actually, I'm gonna name it Shrek 2 since that's my favorite Shrek movie. So far the process has been completely easy. The only difficult part is obviously when you have to mix by hand. It does get a little bit tiring and it doesn't always mix everything super well. It takes a while, but other than that, I'm having a really good time. So I think I'm gonna go for a blue, maybe like a baby blue. I'm gonna start off with 2 pipettes of white and 3 drops of blue. I feel like that combination actually worked out really nicely. This blue is super pretty. I think I'm gonna name this one Bubbles after Bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls. Okay, so let's start swatching, finally. Whoa, okay, I feel like the pigment on this one is already the best. I'm still gonna do 2 coats of this just because I do 2 coats of every nail polish. I'm gonna try Bubbles next. The next color I'm gonna swatch is Shrek 2. I had so much fun trying out the NailmaticLab DIY nail polish kit. The mixing process did take a lot out of me. It took a while to get the pigments and the base fully incorporated together, but the results were good. The formula itself gives nice coverage and the color is true to how it looks in the bottle. For the pigments they give you, I do feel like there's a lot of possibility in what colors you can create. They do sell more pigment options on their website if you wanted more variety, but I was actually really happy with the colors I made today. I feel like some people might think this is useless because every nail polish color has probably already been invented, but this could be good for people who want their favorite polishes in a plant-based formula, or if you just want to create your own personalized polish.